Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining why you need a Fidelity bond and what it must cover. This sets limits. Once you have your EIN, recent payroll totals, and a roster of employees, open the insurer's online portal and choose Fidelity or Employee Dishonesty product. Make sure to select a realistic bond limit in dollars and enter any prior claims history, insurer's price on exposure. Then proceed to the electronic quote flow. You'll move from basic business facts to more specific underwriting questions. Now you tackle the underwriting section. This is where accuracy matters. You will explain internal controls, background check frequency, and how funds are handled because those factors reduce premium. Once done with the questionnaire, upload financial documents like a recent balance sheet and profit and loss statements. Insurers review them to size risk. Make sure to add endorsements you need, for example, computer fraud or forgery, since they change coverage scope and cost. Review the online summary before requesting final quote. You finish by accepting the quote, setting the effective date, and binding the policy online. This creates instant coverage in many carriers. Make sure to read the declarations page, note exclusions, and confirm premium and payment method before you pay. Once paid, download the binder and full policy PDF and distribute proof to stakeholders. If your application is declined, ask for a written reason, strengthen weak internal controls, and reapply or submit to another insurer. That's the quickest troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.